Hey you guys, what's going on? Kim here, and right now I am actually going to show you guys a video from South Carolina. I was going to wait until a Thursday. I was going to do it yesterday, but I did the ducks, and so I was going to hopefully wait until Thursday to do the throwback. I'm not sure why I've taken so long. Lazy, I guess. I'm sorry. But now I'm going to do it for you because it's from when we went to the beach. While we were in South Carolina, we took a family trip to the beach, and Jennifer and I and the girls and the kids, we all had a great day having fun, splashing around in the sun, getting sunburned really bad. As some of you may already know now, my sister Jennifer hurt herself in an accident. I'm not really going to give too much details on it because it's not really my place to try and do so right now. I am just going to ask that you send good and positive vibes to her because she's definitely going to need it. You guys will find out soon enough, I'm sure. I just don't think it's possibly my place to be the one to tell you. So, I'm going to leave it at that. Jennifer, I'm really sorry for you. I hope you get better soon. But in the meantime, here's something I hope will make you smile. This is our vacation in South Carolina at Kiawah Island. Hey guys, what's going on? Kim here.
I like that. At the beach.
All the kids, and where are we?
At the beach.
We're at the beach. So Jennifer, I have kidnapped her and the kids. We are out at Kiawah. Michael and Bridget didn't want to come.
They said there's dolphins up front.
Are we excited?
Yeah. I think I have to drag this.
Yeah.
I want to be a dolphin.
You gonna drag it?
They said dolphins on the beach.
All right, Lily, are we excited? Whoa! So exciting! Whoa! All right, we are about ready. The sand is hot. We're doing some sunscreen. We got an umbrella, but we are at the beach. In just a second, we're gonna put our stuff so we don't lose anything here. Put our stuff out and then go do some swimming. What's the problem?
My castle.
How's it going? Why?
I guess so.
You're okay. You're gonna get more in it. It'll stop. What are you doing? Alright, well come back up this way. Don't go far out. The water's gonna come all the way up here. Just threw sand at me.
No, go get it, I'll show you. Put my face.
Get my shirt real quick.
Get my face, Mom.
JC is being buried. How you doing, Jay?
Jacob?
Sorry.
Look at his toe.
I got more shoes.
Right there.
My shoe.
Right there. Go pack it in with dirt. Oh my God. At least we don't have to worry about most of you getting sunburned. Oh my God. Oh, now I'm gonna take a picture. Taking a little break, eating some snacks. I think the boys, the bigger boys, are like over swimming now.
I'm not.
Thank God we didn't go to Folly.
Come on. I would love Folly.
We wouldn't be able to do nothing.
You guys having fun? Yeah.
My feet are burning.
Yeah, I know. I had to come back over to the shade. This sand is no joke. It is on fire. Somebody call 911. The sand is burning on my feet on the sand shore.
Oh, we're about to go.
Whoa.
No, please.
All right, let's see.
I think it's already moved. Did it go away, guys? No, it's right there. I can't. No, don't put your hand near it.
Hold on, back up. Can you see it?
Hard as hell. I see it. See it right there?
Hey. That?
Where'd the tail go?
I don't see anything. I mean, I see what looks to be...
That's it, though.
How do you know?
Because it was right here, and that's what it was. Right there. Yeah, we saw a tail. Yeah, the tail is really starting. Need a shovel.
I know.
Right here.
Be careful.
Stand right here. Right here, son. Stand right there.
I'm doing it. Here you do it. I'm using my finger. You got it?
You can't get it.
There it is.
There it is. Where? You guys think it's dead or alive? Alive.
I'll see it.
Let me
That's
see.
wood.
Let me
That's wood.
see. Oh no, he's moving a tail.
See? See?
I'm done.
See?
I'm done.
Oh! Right
Big
there.
one, Kim. All right, somebody take this.
No, that's
You guys think about shark.
Really? Kim, did you hear him? Is that a stingray or a shark?
I'm ignoring it.
His eyes are open. Yes, it is. I think it's gonna die. No, Kim, you gotta be careful. The tail's over here. That is huge. And it's stuck in the water, so it's stuck in the sand. Yeah. Oh, that is huge, y'all.
It's not a stingray though.
No?
It's a shell crab.
With a tail that long?
Yeah.
Never seen a shell crab.
I'm moving.
I see the hair.
That's a stingray, Kim.
Have you ever seen a stingray?
No.
Stingrays are flat.
Oh.
Watch back up.
Back up, y'all. You don't know what it is.
It's moving. It's burying itself.
That's a stingray. No, it's not. It's something.
It's burying itself again. Can you see it?
Yeah.
There's the white things on it.
Look at that.
What is that?
It's burying itself again. That's scary.
Yeah.
Try to pick it up.
Are you out of your mind?
With the shovel.
Look, it's trying to get out of the water.
Here we go.
See, it's burying itself. Can you see that? See what it's doing?
How about you try to pick it up on the side with a shovel?
You're out of your mind, kid.
I can see the tail moving.
Look at the big ocean.
Okay, we are gonna leave the horseshoe crab alone. And let's go play a little bit longer before we leave, okay? We'll play just a little bit longer.
I thought it was a stingray.
Not a stingray. Horseshoe crab.
Yeah, you had fun dunking me in the water and almost drowning me.
Your stupid elbow.
You boys have fun?
No, because I don't feel good.
Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I had a lot of fun editing that video. We really had such a great day. Jennifer and I have always had our differences. We fought a lot, but at the end of the day, she's still my sister, and I still feel really bad for what's happened. So, Jennifer, I'm sorry for you. I hope you get better soon. We love you lots. Say, feel better, Aunt Jennifer.
Feel better, Jennifer.
Oh. So, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Jennifer, I hope you see this, and I hope it put a smile on your face. So if it did, make sure you guys like, subscribe. If you didn't, like, subscribe. Have a good night, guys. Get better, Jen.